أنا مش بقدرش نقول لك.
معناها هذه أول تجربة أونلاين، معناش متعودين نحن خاطر ما عندناش الأونلاين ليرنينغ في بلادنا. أوكي. That's it. يعني أنت tu es heureuse de participer avec d'autres élèves. Ils sont des élèves talentueux, donc ils sont des élèves très talentueux. Et apprendre le microbit, et apprendre l'intelligence artificielle. Donc ils sont très talentueux. Donc c'est une expérience. Inch'Allah, on va continuer. Si vous réussissez, if you success to connect to Microsoft Teams, it will be a pleasure to teach you with other students all over the world. Okay, it's my pleasure. So as you know, there is difficulty to talk in English because French is our first foreign language, and Arabic, it's a native language. So that's why they have some problem to express themselves. Okay, and they are shy because they first experience. Hello, Anayat. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. How is everything going?
Okay.
Fine.
Do you teach your classmate about microbit?
No. Actually, in my cell phone, there is not enough space. So I thought about that. I will make a video about microbit, but for this reason, I couldn't.
So I'm trying to get fast. So please, I want to just explain the concept of variable on algorithm and give you a real example. So if my student can't play, so we just share my screen and we will start to okay. How to give you access to enter all the meeting. Okay, paramètres de périphérique. Hello, Colin. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. They not. There's a small group. Just they are testing the remote learning experience. They are part of the twinning project or the other international project, because in Tunisia there is no remote learning. We have face-to-face. We are come back to school. Wa alaikum assalam. We are come back to school since 15 September. We are lucky. We have just traditional learning, okay, and face-to-face learning, okay. So we are so lucky and. To be in school again, okay? So my screen is sharing, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I want to just...
Ma'am, what is our today's topic?
Sorry?
What is our today's topic?
I wanna just today to give you a simple example about pour s'il vous plaît. Donc c'est qui Emna, please, or Nour, or Nauras, or Rassi. S'il vous plaît, veuillez aider vos camarades à rejoindre la réunion, d'accord? Il suffit de télécharger l'application Microsoft Teams sur les appareils Android ou bien apps, etc. Ou bien les appareils n'importe quel mobile devices, يعني tablette ou bien portable, d'accord? S'il vous plaît, خاطر يبعثوا لي في des messages sur Facebook, d'accord? Donc je vais commencer. I want to start, okay? Would you please just I want to select two students to play, okay? Girls and boy, we will play. So I want to just start. I want to just to delete the session. It will take time, the brainstorming, okay? Okay. So démarrer, donc voilà. So our objective for today is experience is to experience creating and working with a variable by pairing up and playing rock, paper, scissors. Okay, so it's easy. I wanna just so I wanna share my screen with whiteboard. Yes, with whiteboard.
My student.
Yes.
You know?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I want to just Mr. Islam, please. I want to just start to play. They will understand the variable, okay? So please, a girl and boy, they will play rock, scissors, and paper, okay? So we'll just write here the first name, please, okay? It's Noor or Anayat? Who's want to play from my student? So I want to just write.
I can play.
What's your name, dear?
My name is Pollen.
It's Pollen. Okay, Pollen and Anayat. So we will just start 1, 2, 3 to play rock, scissors, and paper, and I will just save the score. Okay.
Okay.
So. Okay, no problem. I will just start. Okay, sharing the screen. Okay, just show you. I'll just play it for 4 times. Okay, just
Would you play virtually?
okay.
Like rock, paper, scissors?
Okay, good. I'm gonna just start. I wanna just okay. Ignorer. Okay, now I can see you.
Actually, I'm not getting how to play
So
this.
I can see you. It's I can see you, Pollen and Anayat. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. I can play with Anayat. Okay, I can play with Anayat. Okay, Anayat. 1, 2, 3, Anayat. Okay. Caesar. Rock, paper. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here.
Oh, the screen is stopping again and again, so it's a problem.
So it's me, okay? The second, okay? 1, 2, 3. It's paper. It's rock. So it's 2. I win. It's my second time. So the third time. Okay, I'm trying to delete.
If you allow me to screen share, I can help you with the need. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna show you something, not a PowerPoint or not anything else. Or sir, you can pin a map and the person is playing, so we can see.
I know how to play. Okay.
Oui.
Madame, pouvez-vous arrêter Oumana?
Oui, bien sûr. Yes, Pauline. Umama, you are in. Yes, Pauline.
Can you screen share and pin yourself and Anat Kabir Bro to the screen so we can see you and Anat Kabir Bro's gameplay very clearly?
Okay, I want to just share my screen just to save the results. So I want to just you show your hand, okay, to can save the score, okay. For you, Pauline, for Anayat, it's okay. I see his hand, okay. So Pauline and Anayat, would you start to play?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Now we'll start.
So please go ahead, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you see my hand,
are you ready?
Okay.
Yes, yes. Can you see my hand?
Yes.
Okay.
It's clear.
Now we'll start. 2, 3.
The other, please, would you please mute your other students, please? Would you please mute your microphone? Okay.
Who is making noise?
Visa.
Tie. So I went 2 and you are 0. So we can continue 2. Rock, scissors and paper. Okay.
I am scissors too. It's very tie.
Okay, it's tie. 2 tie and I went 2. So the 5th. So rock, scissors and paper. Okay.
You want this time. You want.
It's tie. No, you win 1, okay?
No, you won.
Okay, I won. 3 and 2 tie, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay.
It's a tie game.
Okay, so this is the game. I want to just share the blackboard again, okay, to the whiteboard. I'm sorry, okay, to explain to you how to hello, Emna, nice to see you. So now I win, I'm Pauline, okay, I win 3, tie 2. And Anayat is 1 or 0, Anayat? You win 1? Okay.
Yeah, I think rock, scissors, and paper. This game is more interesting when we are face to face.
So this is the principle. So now I wanna to move to this game, this score. I wanna just change it to algorithm, to microbit. How to do this? Okay. So we wanna move to share my screen to explain. So here, so what is the variable? Okay, I want to just, so the variable are things that are remembered by the microbit. Variable can take a few forma and can have function applied to them. For example, string, which is text, or we could create a calculator that stores which number the user inputs a figure or a whole number. So we can modify variable, but they must first be defined. Open the variable. Okay, yeah, okay.
So we can see your screen.
Okay, now it's okay. It's okay, right?
Yes.
Yes. Good? It's sharing, right?
Yes, yes, now it's okay.
I can see your presentation.
Yes, now it's okay.
So now you can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The first thing I will do is to create
Yes, I can see now.
Yes. So the first thing I want to do, I want to just move my score, okay, to the to the program, to the algorithm, okay, with using microbit from a code. So now I want to create 3 variables. For example, I am the winner A, and Anayat is the player B, okay, and I want to create 3, okay, and I want to create the result, the score of tie, okay, player tie, okay. So what I will do, I will just move to open my project as usual, okay, and I want to just name it, for example, Rock and Caesar, okay, Rock, Caesar, and paper, for example, okay, and paper, okay. Okay, I create. So for my student, they can of course go to language and just move it to French, to change it to French. For the other students, they use English, of course. So I want to just go to variable to create my 3 variable. It's easy, okay? That's the variable. So the variable, it can save a score, that can sauvegarder. That means it can save it score and add it score to the save it score, okay? It can change it. It's not something, it's a changeable variable. It can be named, it can be a string, it can be a letter, it can be a number, okay? It's changeable, okay? So we can just create 3 variables. For example, it's player A, okay? Player A win, okay? It's me, and I will just create other one. It's called player B win. Of course, it's Anayat, and the player tie. When we have tie, we have result. We have an equal result. So it's a player tie. So what can I do? So I will just on start, I will make the 3 variable on 0, okay? Set the variable on 0, and I will duplicate. I want to just now to make it bigger, the screen, that you can see the score, you can see the blocks, okay? So here we can just duplicate it quickly to see it. And I can, this is A, player A, win, this is player B, and this is player tie. And we will just make it from the beginning on 0. I want to explain why to make it on 0, okay? I want to move to my presentation, okay? So here, it's important to give the variable initial value. The initial value is the variable will hold each time the program starts. For our counter program, we will give each variable the value 0 at the start of the program, okay? So what you see here, if we don't start playing, we have 0, okay? So I have 0, so I get 0, and we never win any score at any point, okay? And we don't have any score, any time score, okay? So we want to move to explain now, okay? Can you? I want to just move to okay. I want to share my screen now. I want to explain in our program. We want to keep track to the number of times each player win and the number of times they tie. It's easy, okay? As played now with Anayat, as you see on the white. So we can use the button A and B to do this. So press button A to record the win for player A, for example. So, and I press button B to record a win for player B. Press both button E and button B together to record a tie, okay? So I press button A to record the winner, to record a win for player A. I will just press the button B to record a win for player B, okay? And both to record a tie. We already initialized this variable and now need to code to update the value of each round of game. Each time the scorekeeper presses button A to record a win for player A.
Ma'am, we can see your screen.
Yes, I wanna just move to the blocks, okay? I wanna just read.
Ma'am, we can see the screen. It's not visible.
Yes, okay. I want to share it just a minute, okay? So I want to just finish explanation. So each time the scorekeeper press button A to record the win for player A, we want to add 1 to the current value of the variable player A win. Each time the scorekeeper presses button B to record a win for player B, we want to add 1 to the current value of the variable player B win. Each time the scorekeeper presses both button E and button B at the same time to record the tie, we want to add 1 to the current value of the variable player tie. It is really clear. I think it's clear and it's easy. It's a simple example that really explain the variable. So I want to move to show you how to do this. So I want to just share my screen. Okay, it's shared now, right? So I want to move. I want to just delete this. I want to move to the input. I want to use on button A. If I press button A, so I will do what? I will change one player A win. Okay, so change player A when button is pressed. I will just go to show the lead A. Okay, I will just this is A. So, and of course, I want to explain why clear screen. Of course, if we will start button E without adding this block, okay, I want to just keep it at the end. I want to, of course, if we learn how to duplicate, we can just duplicate once, duplicate twice, to save time. Just when I press button B, what happened? The player B win. If I press button A plus B, so it's a tie. It's our tie. So I want to just here the letter tie. It's okay. It's T. So for button A plus B, it's tie. For player B, it's B. Okay, that's it. It's B. So I want to add the clear screen. Why clear screen? To move to the A, to B, to T. We can so just duplicate, or if I can duplicate, I want to move to the basic. I want to just drag the clear screen block. Okay, here. When I see, it's very easy. Okay, clear the screen. So I want to just, if clear, here we have button B, button A plus B. So we want to just try it with virtual now. Okay, we want to just try, go to big screen. When I press A, when I press button A, I show A. When I press button B, I show the player win, the player B win. When I press button A plus B, I show there are the two players, they are tie, okay? So it's easy. So how to do it in real microbit? How to do it in real microbit? I want to just show you the real microbit and how I can, okay? So I want to start here before moving to try it in virtual, in real, okay? This is we can call it a virtual microbit, okay? Or we can call it emulator, okay? Emulator. So this is a real card, okay? As you see, I want to just start sharing to show you the real microbit. This is the real microbit. Okay, this is the real microbit, as you see here, okay? Yes. How to download my program that I can try in real, okay? So I wanna just try. If you see the microbit, it's clear on the screen.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
so I wanna just. So this LED, this 24, this LED, we have 24 LEDs, okay? LED light, we call it LED light, okay? So we have two buttons, button A and button B. We have pin 0, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3V, pin G and D, okay? G and D. So this is the edge connector for accessory. So we can put many accessories that we can move from the simple application like this. We can move to the robotics. It's possible and it's easy with to add some accessories to my microbit card. Okay. So this is a compass. So we can move here now. So this is I called battery socket here. Here it's a processor, and here it's reset button. Here it's reset button. So we can use a battery. We have also with okay, as you see here, I have a battery. So with a microbit, I use USB cable, okay? This is a cable, USB cable here, okay? We just use the USB cable here. And I want to explain how to download my application. So if I don't have, for example, I can do it without computer. If I have download the application here, I can use it far from my PC, outside the school, etc. We can use a battery. We have here a battery, okay? So, and I just put it here on, okay? I just put it here on the circuit battery here. As you see, this is a place for a circuit battery. This is the small place, Y to place here. This is for USB cable, and this is for circuit battery. I can just connect here, and I can work with, okay? So now I want to just download. I want to just keep, so as you see here, okay? So I want to just now, okay, try to download my program to read it in real. So I want to just put my microbit on the, I want to share now how to do it, okay, to share my screen. Okay, so this is my program, okay. This is my program. I want to just download, okay, the program, okay. Rock, saucer, scissor and paper, download. Or I can just save it. Okay, it's the same. Okay, so now I wanna go to download file. I wanna go to download file and so this is the microbit. I wanna just copy paste or just drag here on microbit as you like. Okay, I can just, as you see, so I'm copying my program inside my microbit. So now I open my microbit to see. So I wanna move to copy on my microbit. So copy paste. So it's okay. It's copy now. Okay. So now I should see, okay, my program on the real microbit. But before I show you the real microbit, I can see, of course, without connecting to. I can show you without connecting to the PC because I use here. Okay, I use the battery. So I use the battery, so we can see the program now. If I press button A, as you see here, what's happening? If I press button A, you see A. That means player A win. Okay. B, it's player B win. Okay. It's works. Okay. So my program is on the microbit card. We can add, so when microbit shaking, I wanna show you how to do it. So I wanna just share my screen again. Okay, I wanna show you now how to do it here. Okay, so we have here on shake, show string wing. Okay, so player show lets A, player win. We can have a pause and show lets B, player A, B win, and after show string tie, players tie. Okay, clear screen. So we can use when on button A, press it, on button B, press it, on button E, A plus B, press it. Okay, and on shake. Okay, when my LED is shake, I wanna see you here. I wanna show you on virtual. Okay, when button A, when button B pressed, when button A plus B, it's tie. Okay, when shaked, as you see here, it's A0. Okay, it's B1. Okay, it's tie 2, as you see, when shaked. Okay, when microbit on shake. Okay, as you see here. Okay, it's a very easy program that can explain the variable, the score. Okay, how to use it exactly in a simple way. Okay, it's clear. Hello. So it's clear. So, do you have a question, please? Okay. Noor, Anayat, do you have a question? Pauline. It's clear.
The screen was too low. When you was explained before asked about microbit, then the screen wasn't sharing. So in the first time we couldn't understand. At the first time.
Okay, it's Anaya talking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here, as you see, my screen is not sharing or sharing. It's okay?
Yes. Now it's sharing.
So yeah, I start to initiate the score. Okay, we name it the score. We go to variable here, with tool variable, and we just make a variable that's called player A win, player B win, and the players tie. Okay, so and we just on start, I give them all 0. I set all of the variable on 0 because we didn't have any score. We didn't play yet. Okay, so after this, we can just okay, and after this I just choose to use the button A, the button B, and the button A plus.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you? So, do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
So I use when on button A pressed, okay, change the player tie 1, okay, and just show me the A that means player A. No, here it's T, okay. Here it's T, okay. Here it's press A. It's player A here, okay? Player A, player B. Here it's when I want to press button A, it's player A win. That means I show the letter A. Okay, so clear screen, it's easy to understand this. If I didn't add this code, I can move from A to B. I can move if I press A, it can disappear. It's still display, okay, the letter, okay. We can move to the B and to the T. That's why we add the block
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear?
No, it's clear.
Okay, it's not clear. It's not clear.
No, ma'am. Clear. You can continue.
Okay. Yes. So, okay. So that's the idea. I just want a simple example to understand. To can understand the variable. Okay, because the variable it's when we play, we can play. So we need a variable to save our score.
Ma'am, your voice is clear, but for network problems.
What's the problem, please? What's the problem, please?
Manage net problem.
Yes, now it's clear, ma'am. I have some network problems because I am out of my residence.
So do you understand the program? Okay. So the program, it's about playing a game, okay? And to save a score, we need a variable. And to make a variable, we should create a variable, okay, that we can save the score, okay? So it's a simple example. I just choose 3. I can choose more than 3, okay? We can have 3 players, 4 players, 5, etc., okay? I just trying to simplify this example to understand the concept of variable, okay? That's the idea, okay? It's more simple than the compass, than the last example, okay? It's more complicated, the compass, okay? To move from north to south, etc., okay? So here it's more simple that we can use a 3 button. We can use on check. It's optional. I just put all this program on check. We can just delete it and we can just try with the 3 button. When I press button A, okay, when I press button B, when I press B, A and B, on check it will show me the score, okay. If it's A 1, if it's, as you see, if B 1, okay, tie, okay, 2 1, as you see here, okay, it's on check. When I check my microbit, it's easy. Just Anayat, just write this code now, and you will understand what I mean by the 3 variable of player B, player A win, player B win, and player tie. It's easy as an example, okay? So you can just go to variable, create 3. You can go to variable and create three variable, okay? And you just start your program. You can use in place of LED, you can use only show string. Okay, if you want to not use a LED, you can use only string. Okay, it's possible. There is some things, some blocks optional, some blocks they are not. You should do it. You should just add it. But as example, it's easy to try it, to understand the concept of variable. Okay. Do you understand now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. If you have time to try this, you can try it now, or we can move to the assessment if you want. If you are busy, I can send you just a challenge. It's just a 14 question. It's just revision from the first and the second and the third session of Microbit. I can send you as a challenge, and I will just receive your answer. Okay. If you want to play it now, it's okay. It's up to you.
Yes, ma'am. We can play it now.
So now I need at least one student to try the code. Okay. That really understand. Anayat, are you trying to
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying.
Yes. And what about others? Okay. For my student, if you are with your mobile phone, it will be it's really a little bit annoying. Okay. If you are on your computer, you will just go to make code for Microbit. Make code for microbit.org. Okay. As you see here. Okay. So microbit.com and okay.
Madam, I am.
Yes, you go to makecode.microbit.org. D'accord?
I'm with phone, madam.
You're with phone now. It's possible. Anaya choose phone too, okay? Right, Anaya, to use phone. You are using phone too.
Yes, ma'am. I use phone.
So I want to move to the blocks. Okay, this is the three blocks. Okay, this is 3 code, and after that we have to just try to use the LED, show LED. Okay, to show A, B, and T. Okay. It's easy. You can try. You can all of you try this. Okay.
So, madam.
Sorry. Sorry. Tu ouvres un navigateur ou bien par la suite tu vas écrire make code. Tu vas écrire seulement makecode.microbit.org ou bien tu veux donc consulter Google, tu vas écrire seulement makecode.microbit ou la makecode.microbit. Le premier lien, tu vas joindre le premier lien, donc pas de problème. Donc c'est clair, voilà notre lien. Voilà, donc tu vas se trouver dans cette fenêtre. D'accord? Voilà. Je vais agrandir un peu la fenêtre pour voir. Voilà. Tu peux écrire microbit makecode tout simplement et joindre le premier lien. Il y aura microbit. Il se trouvait dans cette plateforme. Est-ce que c'est clair?
Madame?
Oui.
Madame, على التليفون ما تخدمش.
Anayat, do you use your phone, please? Anayat?
Yes, ma'am. I use my phone.
Anayat.
I'm trying now.
il utilise son portable, il peut joindre le makecode.microbit ou utilise les blocs, etc. Donc, Anayat, il peut joindre son portable dès la première séance. Il a bien travaillé. Donc, c'est possible dans Hatta portable, donc vous pouvez joindre makecode.microbit. D'accord? Donc, c'est simple. Vous pouvez me joindre, OK? On peut donc nouveau projet, new project. Vous pouvez parler en français, voilà. Voilà, vous allez utiliser le français et vous allez donc nouveau projet. Donc, c'est pas un new project, un nouveau projet, juste تحط example, okay, you put example because parce que c'est votre première séance, d'accord, vous n'êtes pas habitué par ça. Et par la suite, tu peux donc, par exemple, au démarrage, tu vas écrire ton nom avec les LED, etc. Tu peux trouver les LED, faire par exemple des cœurs, des smileys, des gifs, etc. Voilà. Show kif, donc base, montrer nombre, on peut montrer nombre, écrire par exemple un nombre, etc. Vous pouvez au démarrage ou bien toujours. Donc au démarrage ou bien toujours, il y a une grande différence bien sûr, d'accord, entre au démarrage et au toujours. Vous pouvez essayer donc, pour mes élèves, vous pouvez essayer donc des trucs simples. Donc par exemple, écrivez votre nom avec les lettres. Par exemple pour moi, voilà, je peux écrire mon nom, voilà. Voilà, je vais écrire mon nom avec les lettres, ajouter tous les lettres pour écrire mon nom. C'est une donc pour un peu, pour s'entraîner peu à peu, donc step by step, to train, to learn more, pour apprendre mieux à propos de microbit. Donc vous ne vous inquiétez pas, donc c'est un programme de 9e année, donc vous pouvez essayer un peu. Donc, c'est très facile. Donc, on enseigne le microbit même au primaire, en Europe et dans les pays développés. Donc, c'est un logiciel plus simple que Scratch. Il est plus simple que Scratch, d'accord? Très facile. Donc, what about you, Anayat? Do you finish? What about Noor?
No, I'm not finished. I'm trying now.
Okay, who want to share his screen? I want to share his screen with me. Emna, good. Emna, très bien, Emna. Très bien. Nauras, très bien, Nauras. Tu es là. Donc, très bien. Vous écrivez tout simplement, voilà, très bien. Tu vas écrire ton nom avec les lettres. Kif, donc, on peut donc montrer un nombre, montrer nombre, montrer l'icône. Par exemple, des cœurs, des smileys, afficher texte, par exemple, bonjour, comment allez-vous, hello, ok. Donc voilà, des trucs simples donc pour s'entraîner pour votre première séance en microbit. Très bien. Très bien. Oui. Oui, Emna, très bien. Oui, Emna. Très bien, Emna. Très bien. Vous pouvez utiliser plusieurs lettres. Écrivez Emna. Ah, tu as compris. E-M-N-A. Oui, so for your student, Mr. Islam, just my student, they are 8th grade. They use only on Classroom Scratch as a coding tool, okay? For the 9th grade, they have App Inventor and Microbit for make code. So my student now, for today, they are on 8th grade, so they don't know about Microbit. They know only about Scratch, okay? So Anayat, okay. I want to just move to show you.
Madame, quel bien amené?
En club ou bien en classe?
En club, madame.
En club, voilà. Non, pas en classe, oui. So it's not easy for me, okay, to teach French and English at the same time. But I wish that you could repeat this application. It's simple, okay? You can try it with 3 or 4 players, okay? To know more about the variable, about the score, how to use the variable, okay, to save the score in algorithm or in blocks like Microbit. So, as you finish, I want to just share my screen to the revision, okay? Share my screen to the Kahoot Play. It's a new assessment. It's not the end. It's a new one, okay? It's a new one whose I collect the 3 session. What we have seen in the 3 session, okay? As I think 15 or 14 question, okay? Anayat, I'm waiting.
I need more 10 minutes, I think. I need more 10 minutes.
So for Noor, Anayat, for your story, okay, I want to just read the name. For Anayat, for Noor, for Norita, for Pauline, I don't know the other name. I think she lost connection. Okay, Tawheed, he just joined us now. So would you please? I want to send you just share with you the project. Okay, you need to publish. I want to share with you the project. I want to send it. I don't know if I can just send it on the conversation. You have access to the conversation, right? Okay, I will send now the application that you can do it at home. We can move now to the assessment quickly. It's easy assessment. It's for the 3 session. So we can play it now. Okay, so there's a big new for the Kahoot. There's a show question, okay? So the question, since 2 weeks, I think, okay? I'm sorry, okay? Since 2 weeks, there is a new feature added, many features, there is many update on the Kahoot. There is a new feature that you are not display on your screen just color. It will display on your screen the question with the total option, okay? I think it's perfect now, okay? Do you understand me, what I mean? Right? Do you understand? Okay, you know the difference now when you just enter the game, okay? So go to Kahoot.it and just start to 468632. Okay, quickly, please. So, oui, Emna? Emna, you go, you just try. Tu peux écrire dans votre navigateur www.kahoot.it. Okay. After this, we'll go to Kahoot.it. Okay, it's for play. Okay, if you want to create a quizzes, you can go to Kahoot.com. So after this, you will just write oui, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Madame, qui دخلت الكود جاتني بسودو.
دخل كودك ومن بعد تكتب اسمك. You know, Amina and the others. You just enter and le pseudo c'est votre name, okay? It's for me, okay? Tu as réussi. You are in. So, Umayma, good. You are in, Umayma.
What about others? 468632.
468632. Yes.
Mr. Code,
Yes. Amina, you go.
Okay, of course.
What is the code?
Go to Kahoot 1.8. Okay. So,
Yes,
I
What is the
will
code?
share with you. Okay, I want to just share with you before all the steps. Ok, toute personne disposant peut modifier le contenu.
Mrs. What is the code?
Okay, just a minute. I wanna just, okay. This is the link of presentation, please, before forgetting this. This is, you can understand the step by step why I move from button E, pressed from the button B, from the step by step from the program, okay? I explain it with details on this presentation. I wanna just share it with you here on the conversation meeting. And you have access to, right? You have access to the conversation, okay? So now you are in. What about Umayma? Umayma.
Mrs.
We, yes,
What is the code?
good Anayat. Yes, Emna, you go. Please mute your microphone. Mute your microphone, Emna. You go to www.kahoot.it. Tu vas écrire dans votre navigateur cette adresse, kahoot.it, et par la suite, tu vas copier le code. Tu vas écrire plutôt, taper le code, d'accord?
What is Mrs. the code? It's my
The code. This is the code, okay? Morsaline Khan, it's a student. Okay. Umayma, good Umayma, you are in. Pour mes élèves, vous pouvez parler en français, je vais traduire, pas de problème, d'accord? يعني ما تحشموش, okay? Don't be shy, just talk in French or in Arabic, and I want to translate for other students, please, okay? Tawheed, good. Emna, good. So we have only 6. What about others? We have how much student here with us? I think we have 10 or 9. Please. Now, you are in. Anayat, you lost connection, Anayat. What about others? Nurita, Pauline, Tawheed. Tawheed is here. Nurita is here. Good. I want to say for the student, it's to have microbit card, it's not really a big problem, okay? Just we should train it on virtual. We have the virtual card. We have the simulator. We can use it, okay? So to have a real microbit card, we can use it with arrays, okay, to move to the next step. That means we move really to the robotics. To have things, so that means we have something created with the blocks and with accessory. So I can show you the next example. It will be inshallah, it will be a simple example of robotics, okay, and with not with accessory, okay. Yes. Yes, robotics. I don't like to, honestly, Mr. Islam, I don't like to just have a presentation to explain what means robotics. I think your students, they are smart enough to know what means robotics and how to use it, and why really we should incorporate emerging technology as augmented reality, as emerging technology, as artificial intelligence in our curricula. Okay, there is no more question of lecture. So coding, it will be in less than 10 years. I believe that it will be the mother tongue of the world, the coding. If you don't know about coding, so you are out of the train. Okay, I can't. So my words can't. Okay. Hey. Yes, I'm trying. I will just give the leader. I have Emna. She's a good leader. Okay, I rely on her on my virtual meeting, etc. She's a good leader. Emna can just have a group, Facebook group for the whole student from your country and from Tunisia and from Bangladesh that we can plan that they can join us in many other sessions. Okay, so please. Yes. Yes, Emna. Emna, are you there?
Yes.
Tu es là, Emna?
Yeah.
Emna, please, tu peux veuillez ouvrir ton caméra pour parler avec Monsieur Islam. Monsieur Islam, c'est un prof d'anglais de Bangladesh. Ok.
Hi.
Emna, tu peux parler en français, je vais traduire, d'accord? Pas de problème. Tu peux parler même en arabe, pas de problème, d'accord?
Hi.
She's talented student.
Thanks, man.
Dans quelle classe? Tu es dans quelle classe, Emna?
Ah, huitième année.
C'est 8e année. That means 8th grade.
English and math.
Quelle est la matière préférée pour toi, Emna? Anglais ou bien maths?
Anglais et math.
It's English and math, both. She likes both subjects. And computer science too. She likes computer science. Okay. So we want to play, please. 7. So what about the 8? Should I start, please? Okay. I will just send it for you. Okay. I will just play it as assignment. Okay. I will just send it for you as an assignment. Where is the 7 students, please? 8. Now it's Emna. Umayma. Where is Umayma? Where is Anayat? Where is... Okay, please come back to start. Okay. Okay. Nauris, you can join us to play Kahoot, please, Nauris. Tu peux ouvrir ton navigateur et écrire www.kahoot.it, d'accord? Et copier le code, ce code, rapidement. Nauris, tu es là, Nauris. Voilà, donc je peux commencer. Can I start, please? Okay. Désolée, Umayma. Okay. Oh. Okay. And just wait for 1 second, please. For 1 minute, please. I want to start. Okay, where is Umayma and Nauras? Nauras is here. Umayma. Leila. Anaya, Tawheed, Norita, and Noor. Pauline, where is Pauline? Pauline, why are you not joining the Kahoot game?
I'm sorry, I don't know how to connect with laptop.
Do you use your laptop?
Yes, I use laptop.
Okay, that's the same, yeah, Pauline. You can just open Navigator, just go to www.kahoot.it and write this code, okay? It's easy. Pauline, do you understand me?
But when I open my browser and then I search anything, then my Microsoft Teams Windows is not responding. That is the main problem.
Okay, do you have, I think you should change your browser, okay? You can change your browser, right? Okay. Okay, so you will now just show the difference. What is a microbit? Is a microwave oven, a laptop, a pocket-sized computer, a microphone. Just press the right option quickly, okay? That you have a big difference now. You show the question and the option on your screen, right? Right. Do you show the question and the option on your screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, it's a very good feature. It's a new feature from, okay. So, the first, and I had the second, now is the third. Umayma fourth, okay. Well, microbit still old, okay. This is the line. 24 lines, beds quickly, okay. Yeah, it's not enough the time, okay? No, still the first, and I had the second, and now the third. And have 1, 3, 2, 4. We just see it now, okay, on the application, okay? How many buttons we have? Button A, button B, button A plus B. We have 3 buttons, okay? Noor, the first, and I had the second. What does the code block do? Uncheck, okay? Waits for button A to be pressed, waits for button E and B to be pressed, waits for the microbit to be checked, waits for the microbit to be pointed north. So it's easy. Oops, so waits for the microbit to be checked. So no, still the first, and I the second, and now the third. So what will the microbit display? Button A and B are pressed together, okay? Nothing, hi, bok, salut. Okay. Button A is pressed, show string hi. Button B is pressed, show string salut. Show else, show string bok. It's bok. Else, okay? It's condition. Okay? I want to explain the question. I don't know if I can move here to explain the question. It's the question number. Is the question number? Is the question number 4, right? 5? Okay, 5. Okay. Else, if button A is pressed, show hi. If button B is pressed, show string. Else, that means if not button A pressed and if not button B pressed. So it's bok. Else, okay, it's a condition. So we want to move to the next now. Notice the first, and I add the second. Okay, so what is the score is score an example of a variable, a pose, and let a loop. It's easy here. Set score. Set score. It's a variable. Okay, it's a variable. Okay, so Noor is the first, Amna is the second, Anayat the third, Nawras is the fourth. So quickly, what is an algorithm? Okay, a loop, a decision, a sequence of instruction in any order, a sequence of instruction in an exact order. An algorithm, so, is a sequence of instruction in an exact order. So we want to move to the 8th question. What does this flowchart shape represent? A decision, a process, a sequence, a terminator. Is it cloudy? No, yes. It's a decision, of course. So we move quickly. Sorry to now see the classment. What shape is the flowchart symbol for a process? A diamond, a rectangle, a triangle, a rhombus. So it's easy. It's a rectangle, okay? So question 10, how do you connect a microbit to a computer? It's using a USB cable, using headphones.
Disconnected from the Kahoot game.
Sorry? Using USB cable, okay? Of course. This is the microbit and using USB cable, okay? Amna is the first. Good. Nawras is the second. Very good. Noor the third. Tawheed the fifth. And Anayat the fourth. What does this block do? Return any random number. Turns a random number between 0 and 2. Set the value of a variable. So good. We have 5 good questions. Return a random number between 0 and 2. Okay. Good. The turquoise block is an example, variable, algorithm, loop, conditional statement. If then, else if then. It's a variable, algorithm, loop, conditional statement. Okay, good. It's a conditional statement, of course. Very good. So, the question number 13, the following block can be used to display only image, only number, image, numbers, and words. Only words. So, the LED, the show LED, we can, as you see, we can use it to... Good, very good. Of course, we can create image, number, and word. So, the question number 14, the forever block, does the action statement only once, does something when the microbit is shaken, keeps repeating the action stated forever. So it's easy, very good. We have this good question, of course. The forever block, it will repeat the action forever. Now, Noor is the first, Amna the second, Nawras the third, Norita is the fourth, Tawheed the fifth. The last question, suspense, which toolbox do this belong to? Input, basic, loops, logic. On button, pressed. It's a... We go to input, as you see, of course. We go to input, okay? We go to input to select this toolbox. So now it's the result, the podium. Okay. Amna is the third. Very good, Amna. Okay. The second is now. Oh, fantastic. Okay. The first one, as usual. Okay. Noor, of course. Okay. Very good. Noor. Okay. Norita the fourth and Wahid the fifth. Very good.
I was from Kahoot, so I couldn't play as well.
Sorry? Sorry?
I was disconnected from Kahoot game when the quiz was at 5.
I want to just assign now. I want to just Friday create. Okay. Okay. Render this and okay. And a challenge, a Kahoot challenge. I want to send you the link now with the link of presentation. Copy URL. Okay, that's on the conversation. Okay. Okay. Now you can play Kahoot, okay? And I can receive your score, okay? Receive your answer. Okay, you can play it from now until Friday, okay? As you see, I send you both the link of presentation. You can play it, okay? And I send you the challenge Kahoot, okay? So,
Okay.
I'm sorry if you have any question. I want to add Mr. Islam to all my student group. I can organize with Anayat or Noor and with my student Emna to have one group. Should Kit now. I'm sorry. If you have any question, just send it to the common group. Okay. See you next time. Please, Emna. Please, Emna. I want to send you. Okay. I want to send you the groups. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
I can't. Okay, I can't send you the groups, but I can send the to my students. I can send your Facebook, Mr. Islam. Okay, to my student. Yes. Okay. So please, Emna,
Yes,
connect with Mr. Islam. He will add his students on the same group that we can discuss and plan for other session. Okay. If we have any question, please feel free to send it to the group. Okay. And don't forget to send the Kahoot challenge to the other student. Okay. So that I can receive your results. Okay. Okay. Have a nice time. See you again. Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, my student.
thank you.
Emna, Shaima, Umayma. Okay. Nauras. Thank you, Anayat, Noor, Norita, Pauline. Thank you,
Ma'am,
Mr.
have a nice day. And thanks for joining with us and spend your precious time with us.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
I'm sorry. I have a guest at home. Okay. Okay. See you next time, inshallah. Okay. 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 Goodbye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much for joining with us. Today, you have helped us a lot, and we have progressed at remote learning dramatically. Thank you for that.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining with us. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night. Sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I participated, sir. I have stood 7th in quiz. স্যার আমি পার্টিসিপেট করছি তো সপ্তম হয়েছে এই আমি স্যার 6 নাম্বার থেকে কুইজ থেকে খেলা শুরু করছি হঠাৎ করে স্যার ওই ওয়েবসাইট কাজ করতেছিল না
হ্যালো স্যার আমিও অংশগ্রহণ করছিলাম
Please and Emna. Okay, guys,
Sir, I'm
please open your channel. Nervous. Hey, Nervous
Sir.
and Amna. Please open your camera.
Okay.
স্যার আমি স্যার 2000
Hello. Can you hear? Okay. Hello. Two.
Sir, 9 participants, including you. Ritongo Bishash Orgo, me, and Sabir, Emna, LOV, I think you, Mursalin Khan Pranto, Narvis, Amrui, I think his name I can pronounce, then Norita, Nur, and Tawhi.
Yes, sir. I've turned on my camera.
Me. Hello. Fine. What about you?
sir.
Welcome. Mr. Frank.
Sir, I have now because sir, tomorrow at dawn I will arrive to home. I will arrive to our residence. Yes, yes, sir. Sir, I have to leave.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Hello. I don't listen.
إيميت الفيك غادر في البلاصة اللي انت عايش فيها ولا؟
Yes.
يس.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Yes. I'm from Tunis and I live in Jandouba.
Yes, of course. Yes. But I live in Janduba. It's a cloud region. Oh, nice to meet you.
So, so have you so have you so have you turned off incoming video? Then you can't see us.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And uh, yes, yes. Of course.